CCP's nature as an aggressor and the biggest destroyer of peace. A pilot is sadly dead and another is critically.
Hi guys, good morning and let's drink coffee. Really, I'm excited guys. Our microphone is arrived soon. We ordered yesterday in Shopee guys. So that's why you can hear my voice. Let's drink coffee guys. 3 days I'm not drinking coffee. I'm thinking I'm stop drinking coffee but I can't. If you addicted in coffee then. Mostly here in the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee here. Different flavor. But I think it's good. Sometimes if you got headache, coffee is helpful. No need to drink aspirin if you drink coffee. If you drink coffee, your headache is done. Gone. Mostly if you drink strong coffee. I think mas healthy the plain coffee. Plain coffee guys. No, like my husband drinking coffee. Pure coffee, no sugar, no, only plain, strong coffee. I like 3-in-1 coffee guys. Mostly here in the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee, lot of different kind of sardines, different kind of noodles, everything. I think our plan for today is we need to go to Flanders because tomorrow is 31 New Year. New Year tomorrow. Happy New Year everyone day. Tomorrow is New Year and I'm sure here is very noise because lot of fire. Very noise tomorrow. See you later in Flanders day. Hi guys, we're here now at the house from Flanders. Look at this. Brown first. Hindi ko rin brown po guys, but hindi is not smell ba? Because sometimes the brown if you put is the last ano ba yun? Bounty first pala. This day I like this. No smell. Actually, this one is no smell also because this is local. This one, the chicken. I think this is the chicken. I'll push it up. This siya. Ito po, that's system. Spin, ano ba? 1 to 67 everything. And we need to go to the local market over there because we need to buy some fruits. See you there, guys. I try to go into the local market right there. Then try the tricycle maybe. Try to ride the tricycle. Because it's hot na eh. 11:34. Si binilibin mo. Kanto man doon si binilibin. Kaya pa ba ko dito? Ang gusto. Nanap ko yung market. Baka doon sa unahan yung market. Doon pa yata yung market sa unahan, guys. Bakulay lang. Ito pala yan dyan. Market din. Hi guys, we're here now from the market line. And the market is over there. We walk from here going to the market. It's 15 minutes walk. But when we come back home, we need to ride a tricycle because I carry something. It's difficult to walk. So we pay me only 50 pieces with tricycle and we bought me this way. Ate told me this is seedless and this is wet. Hopefully it's good. 150 then. Look, we bought me this guy, kasaba, because I like kasaba, boiled kasaba. This is, more than 1 kilo guys, 40 pesos. 35 per kilo. Yeah. Need to boil. Usually, that market is cheaper. Cheaper market din. This one, 40 pesos din. Because I boiled the kasaba and put this. And this one, guys, we bought me this. This one, 2 pieces of ampalaya, 20 pesos. I think that this one look like 40. Look, price to them. 40 this one. And this one, 50. Everything this guy, we pay 98 eh. Tomato, ampalaya, and this one is the eggplant. And we bought the landan. This is half kilo guys. Half kilo is 20 pesos. And that's it. That's it for now. Hi guys! Unboxing again. Went to the store downstairs then. And we bought this egg guys. 13 pesos. 1 pesos. Only to put over. We need to buy only 5 because I have one left over here and the egg over here only room for 6. Our ref is crowded guys. That one. Something over here. Because the ref is too small. And that's it guys. And then we need to cook our lunch for today. Alright guys, loaded. Kasi ano to, small lang siya. Have something over there. Put something right there. I have lot of slipper, yo. I have lot of slipper. Shoes. Like that. I'm cooking beef gravy guys. And the rice over here. Let's eat once gravy. From beef gravy. Rice. Let's eat guys. Rice is light. Usually I'm not eating rice. But we eat chicken rice soup. Still rice. Let's eat guys. Let's eat that.